limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Scene caption boxings. Today we have a Cleveland Indians hat in today. It is of the ultra rare variety. Let's take a look at what is in. There it is, Cleveland Indians. This cap was most likely probably 2014 to 2017, 2018 New Era cap. Cleveland Indians featuring, that's the C logo, featuring the Chief Wahoo. Kind of a double mirror reflection as you see. Let's get an up close look. This logo is banned by Major League Baseball. They rebranded as the Cleveland Guardians due to the Wahoo logo being offensive to some people. So that's what happened. And now they're the Guardians. They consider the Spiders, but they ended up being the Cleveland Guardians. And overall, the Guardians, their merchandise is not bad at all. I will say that. But there it is. Chief Wahoo, Cleveland Indians. Indians had a very good run in the 90s. Very good run in the 90s. Terrific players. Whew. So we're working with a snapback 950. It's a medium large, as you see there. So that fits like near up to the size 8 head. Now, close details of the Wahoo logos. Let's take a look at other aspects of the cap. Back of the cap, you see there, snapback, red and navy, same Indian colors. Side shot here, side angle, you have the Chief Wahoo logo more defined, instead of shadowed or mirrored, as you see in the right. And there it is, nice looking logo. Under visor. It is that navy blue, like an Indian colors. This cap is 100% cotton. You don't see that too often, really. And let's go to the other side. Medium large. This was a foreign release. This was not distributed in the United States with that tag. General merchandise of Major League Baseball. 950. So where can you purchase this? You're probably asking, where can you purchase Chief Wahoo hats anymore? Well, shop.famousthinking.com, shop.famousthinking.com, shop.famousthinking.com. Free shipping within the United States and shipping worldwide. That is the plug for the video. That is where you can get Chief Wahoo hats. Do not miss out. Lots of variety and styles. Restocked throughout the entire year. So what do you think of this cap? Like it or love it, dislike it, or hate it? This cap is not for everybody. The Indian fans, I think American sports fans in general might actually enjoy this cap. Subscribe if you enjoyed the content. More on the way. That is that. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day. So long, farewell, and goodbye.